now let's deep dive into, do you think that the cash is going to disappear in the next 10 years? And what is the impact of central bank digital currency? What exactly is CBDC and where do we see the adoption moving forward?
Yeah. So, hello Prashant and hello everyone. So it's great to be here, and obviously, even in the last 10 years, we have seen how the UPI and fintech actually changes the case ecosystem, and we already even hardly we go to the ATM at the moment. But now, not just the case, but now money is becoming more programmable and more digital, and obviously in not just 10, but in 5 years we will see India will become completely cashless. Even I think we can say not cashless because we already cashless, but it will more become a programmable money kind of infrastructure, and CBDC is going to play that infrastructure role. And what is CBDC? Is a central bank digital currency. So actually, when crypto ecosystem was emerging and everyone building the crypto, then central banks also want to counter that thing, and they created their own digital currency backed by central banks. So CBDC is just the digital currency which is backed by the central banks to counter the crypto ecosystem.